Hey guys, today we're going to review these Auxito 194 replacement bulbs. A lot of people call them peanut bulbs. They are in marker lights and your instrument clusters with stuff from the 50s, 60s, all the way up into the 2000s, early 2000s. They use those peanut style bulbs. So they're always a pain to make connection. I see where the Auxitos have a lot more metal here to get a better connection on it. We're going to try that out and see how these things work. I've got some gauges in the 35. We'll put a couple of these in and see how they look in there, and then we'll go try them out in something else. Hey, and I've got a question for you guys. Have you all had difficulty seeing gauges from time to time at night? Maybe you're driving down the road and somebody is there and they're in an old car and you can barely see the side marker lights because they're dim. But today I've got a set of bulbs that you need to take a serious look at. These are Auxito brand and they're their LED 194 series bulb replacement. A lot of people refer to these as peanut bulbs. They're really small and, you know, about the size of a peanut. Hello. But look at all those LED chips around these things. They put out a lot of light. The setup even comes with a little tool so that you can slip this into the socket and get these to go in really easy. Sometimes those sockets are kind of difficult to get these bulbs in, but hey, they send you a tool to make it work. Come in a pack of 4, 8, or 10, and hey, they're awesome. I've put a couple in so that we can look at them. You can tell the difference in the light quality from yellow kind of light that almost blends in with the numbers on the dial to a bright white light that lights up those gauges really well, and it also makes the marker lights just pop on a car. So let's see some of this stuff installed and, you know, go out and pick you up a set. I'll have a code in the description and a link so that you can get a good deal on a set of these bulbs for your car. Those incandescent bulbs aren't getting any cheaper, guys, so you might as well buy something that's going to last for a really long time. All right, can you tell which one has the LED bulb in it? Super easy, right? So sorry for the shaky camera and stuff there, guys, but you can look at these and just tell how much nicer a light they are. I'm messing with the dimmer there on the light switch in the vehicle. I mean, these things replace those 194 bulbs directly. There's no size difference really in them, but there is a difference in the brightness of the light and the light quality with that pure white LED. All right, you can see what the factory incandescent bulb looks like in there. I'll take and set you guys back down here. Try to kind of get you up in the general realm. And super easy. You can see that flashing on and off. Man, these things are awful about the connection inside of them, not wanting to be there. Man, look at how bright that is right out of the get-go. Man, no flickering, no flashing. That is that's incredibly bright for a marker. So there you go. 194 replacement in a marker light. You can look at this back here where it still has the incandescent bulb and just see how much light difference there is between the two. The LED replacements are great. Well, all right, fellas, we're back out here. Got these things still laid out, and we put a couple of them in there. I hope that you liked this little bit of content, trying to keep this video short, just a review of their bulbs. I'm going to run these things for a while, and I'm going to take more time and put more of them in each one of these applications. It's just, it's really, really cold outside. And My truck's not in the heated shop, so wah, I know. Go out and pick up a set of Auxito bulbs. We'll catch you guys on the next video.